Hey guys, Nani here. Today we're going to take a look at the Kaiser Baas X250. So your X250 comes in a waterproof hard case of up to 30 meters. It has a slick grip designed with an inbuilt tripod mount. It's also equipped with an interchangeable battery. Also included is your general user manual and warranty, as well as a charging cable, 2 adhesive stickies and mounts, quick release buckle and a thumb screw. Press and hold the power button to turn on the camera. Once the camera is on, you can flick through the different settings such as video, photo, playback and settings. Hit the record button to select your option and select which resolution best suits you. Resolution is a true 1080p at 60 frames per second but can be upscaled to 4K. Press and hold the record button to select through the different options until you reach the exit option, then select to return to the main screen. The X250 is also equipped with an image stabilization option, as well as slow motion, a 2-inch screen and a 150 field of view.